In this video, I'm going to show you 3 really great exercises for L405 disc bulge and L5S1 disc bulge using a gym ball. Stay tuned. If you watched any of my videos on my channel, you know that I give a lot of exercises for rehabilitating the lower back for injuries like L405 disc bulge, L5S1 disc bulge. And many of the exercises are beginner and also some advanced exercises. When using a gym ball, you're adding more stability training because it creates an imbalanced mechanism while you're on it with your body, and that gives a lot of good feedback to your brain nervous system called proprioceptive feedback, and then that brain information goes back into your muscles and gets muscles reactivated and awakened up. So it's a really great idea to start incorporating advanced, super advanced exercises with a gym ball when you're progressing through the rehabilitation process for your back and for L405 disc bulge and L5S1 disc bulge. Hi there, I'm Dr. Walter Salubro, a corrective care chiropractor in Vaughan, Ontario, Canada. What this channel is about is giving you tips and strategies on how to strengthen and stabilize your back, and also introduce you to corrective chiropractic methods. Like this, you can bend, move, and lift normally without pain limitation. So if you want these tips and strategies, you want to discover corrective chiropractic care, do subscribe right now by tapping on the subscribe button below, tap on the notification bell, and if you're new to my channel, tell me in the comments below that you just subscribed, and I'll be sure to reply right back to you with a thank you. So when you're doing stability gym ball exercises, it's not something you can jump right into right at the beginning. Many of my patients that come in with back injuries, disc injuries, nerve compressions into their legs, they can't do this exercise at the very beginning. So I start them off with some mobility work, some stretching work, and some beginner core strengthening exercises, which you can catch on my channel. Then we also progress into a bit more advanced core strengthening exercises. So this gym ball stability exercise for the low back for disc injuries can only be done once you're really mostly out of pain, you have good mobility with your back, there's no shooting pain down the leg, and you're basically on the recovery path with your back and your disc symptoms. Having said that, that's a great time to actually begin to rehabilitate the spine, work on the stabilizer of the spine, the proprioceptors, and by adding an unstable mechanism like a gym ball to your routine gets you to activate more muscles, more nerve receptors, and basically takes you to the next level for rehabilitating your back. So let's get into these exercises, and I'll show you 3 great exercises. You can follow along or come back and watch the video again. So clearly for these exercises, you're gonna need some kind of a gym ball, okay? You get them for real cheap either on Amazon or your local retail store. And the first one I'm gonna show you is the prone plank on your elbows on the gym ball. Now, it is challenging, okay? So you should get cleared by your doctor. Make sure you're clear to do these exercises. And if you have any pain whatsoever or challenges with this, because of pain, you need to stop, okay? If you struggle with the exercise, well, it means you have to build your conditioning. So the more you do it, the more frequent you do it, week after week, the better your strength improves, your conditioning improves, your balance improves, and overall stability of your spine also improves. So let's get into the prone plank exercise. You're gonna get on your knees to get ready, on your elbows, give yourself some distance, and basically same idea as a plank on the floor, but you're gonna be on the ball, okay? Now it wobbles, okay? So be careful you don't fall off. That's part of getting the stability and receptors, kick-starting, getting them activated to help retrain those lower back rotators and extensors and the stabilizers of the spine. That was about 20 seconds. You can see it's not very easy. So I have some physical fitness behind me in terms of my experience, and still is a challenge for me. So just be careful. Start with maybe 10 seconds of it, and then you want to work up to your maximum time that you can work up to this. If you can get to like 1 minute, even 2 minutes on the stability ball doing a prone plank, that's amazing, okay? Next one I'm going to show you is a bridge, okay? So similar to a back bridge, but we're going to use the ball to rest our feet on. Right, so get on the floor. You're gonna put your feet over here. You're gonna sit on the floor. Watch your balance because it's gonna move. And then you're gonna lift your buttock up into a bridge, but you're gonna keep your feet on the ball and watch your stability and balance. Now for these, you can hold it for maximum hold, or you can do repetitions. So maximum hold, you know, you hold it for as long as you can. I'll just do a few repetitions. Great. The next one we're going to do is the bird dog, but on a stability ball. Again, it adds more balance mechanisms in there, so more proprioception into your joints, and it becomes a bit more challenging. So I'm going to give myself some space here. You're basically going to hug the ball, you're going to lie on top of it. Hands on the floor, knees on the floor, same starting position, quadruped position, and you're going to rest on the ball as you lift one arm up and the opposite leg. It's going to back up a bit. And alternate. There you go. So let me go over the dosage times and the reps. So for the prone plank, maximum hold. For the bridge, you can also do maximum hold or repetitions. If you're doing repetitions, work up to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. For bird dog on the ball, you can do also 3 sets for 10 repetitions. There you have it. Those are 3 great stability exercises you can do with a gym ball. Let me know in the comments below which one you like better. Is it going to be the bird dog on the gym ball, or is it going to be the back bridge on the gym ball? I want to hear about it in the comments below. And if you want to get more exercises for strengthening the lower back, some advanced core exercises, especially for disc bulges, go right here and watch my advanced core exercise video for L405 disc bulge and L5S1 disc bulge right over here.